with the right a Nancy Sweetie bar, they used to call him. Remember that Star Picture? Fernando's of the man name again? Baby D dad. I don't remember my name now. But I know the nickname, we can't forget that nickname, that's not true. Yeah, we can't forget that nickname. So this is a road will lead to Cambridge and up a Joel. Then start put here there for years and years and years and years. You know. And the road them they still there. Soccer still there. All the way up a Mount Road me there now. Who come from Johnstown. I will know Mount Road. Welcome to the Douglas family lifestyle, dog. Yeah. And pipe you see the so. Start put the generation and generation. This way now. This way gone to Multan, to all the way up. Take you back to Needham Pen. This property over here so for Mr. Yakins. Apple tree did that too. I forgot some apple sucker one of them there. So you can see apple there. Got jackfruit tree as well. Look, we even got jackfruit on the tree. Look at guys, we got jackfruit. There's fruit on the tree. You know, and we got some ackee too as well. Yeah, we got some ackee as well. Yeah. So it's quiet. Very quiet up here in nature. It is so quiet. Look at the ackee tree here coming up. Loaded with fruits. Yes, guys, these are the ackee. I have to buy them in tin. These are the unopened. So you don't pick these and you don't open them. Okay? You don't pick the ackee and you don't open them. You let the ackee open itself, like this one. I'll show you an example. Like this one here. Yeah. That one is open. You know? That one there. That one is open. See the black part out? That means it's good to eat. It's ready. But when it's like this, it can be very poisonous when it's like this. Okay, guys? So when you see this fruit, do not open it. Okay? It have to open by itself, by nature. This one also. This one is already open. So this one is good to go. As you can see, this is the ackee tree. And it's loaded. It's full of fruit. Very nice to eat. Good for vegan people as well. Vegetarian. It's really good. And look at it. Hanging over in the street. Jamaica is so fruitful and flourish. Look at it. We have to buy it when we are in the UK. Look at so many at it in my community. Yeah.